play Assembly Dojo, Technique 26, round and round. Complete full animation.
Okay. Okay.
Even though any given art can only have to four cells, you want it to look like all 12 lights light up in order. By breaking down the object into 4 different art types of these cell seats and play notes in order, we can simulate an object of animation of 12 separate cells. So what do we have to do to link all this art together? What we need to think about first is triggering playing for the next art when the previous art has finished playing. We also have to be sure to specify which art has finished playing. If we just set a trigger for when art finishes playing, the trigger will activate when any art finishes playing. That's why we have to text when art is playing to the trigger with an and.